Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing of original Xiaomi Airpurifier 2 filter. This thing was bought on AliExpress and it usually costs around 30 something, $40. And there are three types of filter. And I managed to buy this one for $30, which is really good price. And considering that this is a green filter, which is enhanced version of Xiaomi filter. As you know, there is a blue economic version which has 3 layers for filtering, and then there is a green enhanced filter which has another filter inside, and there is a purple which is antibacterial filter. So this is a green one. It looks to be original Xiaomi because it has RFID chip. So once we insert it into the purifier, it should recognize it as original Xiaomi. As you can see, there are stickers in Chinese. So let's open this one and there it is. And as you can see, this one has extra layer of protection. So it should be good for catching more harmful particles. This is what the blue one looks like inside. And the green one has another filter here. So considering that my filter should work for another 60 or 70 days, I won't be able to use it. But once I do, I will let you know how it works. That's about it, and thanks for watching.